using the quadratic formula right here. We're going to plug all our numbers in, but we have to make sure it equals 0 first, and it does not equal 0. So we are going to subtract 7 because that will zero out that. And I subtract 7 on both sides. So my equation becomes x squared plus 7x, and then that minus 7 is my c, equals 0. All right, so our a is the number in front of x squared, which this one does not have a number. So when it doesn't have a number, we put a 1 here. So our a is 1. My b is the number in front of x, so that's a positive 7. And my c is the number, the constant at the end, so it's a negative 7. And so now we use this formula. We're going to plug each of our letters in. So we're going to start with a b. I have a b here and a b here. And I look at my b is 7. So I'm going to plug a 7 here, and I'm going to plug a 7 here. And I'm going to make sure I always use parentheses. So parentheses 7, parentheses 7. Next is going to be my two a's, a, and my a is 1. So in parentheses, I'm going to put a 1 in both of those slots. And then my c is that number at the end of the square root, and I get negative 7. So in parentheses, we're going to put negative 7. So we plugged all our numbers in. Now we just got to simplify that before the plus or minus and the bottom first. So if I look at this right here, I have a negative 7. I don't have two negatives, just one. So we have to keep this. So negative 7. Down here, I have 2 times 1. Well, 2 times 1 gives you just 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here. And now we're going to use our calculator. And we are going to put all of this in without the square root. So I'm going to put my calculator. I start with the parentheses, 7 squared minus 4 parentheses 1 parentheses negative 7. And I get 77. So I'm going to go ahead and write 77 right here. And then on the next video, we will solve this.